Hi, you guys. This is Tammy Golden with SilkOut Hair Care System, and congratulations for taking the 90-day hair challenge. I just want to tell you guys, stay tuned. We're put together some amazing information to support you on your journey to restoring your hair and maintaining the health of your hair. So why 90 days? It takes 90 days it takes 30 days to develop a habit. And that's the first thing. You guys need to get in the habit of taking care of your hair on a regular basis, whether it's weekly or bi-weekly. I do not recommend more than 2 weeks. I strongly recommend shampooing your hair weekly. I know we're busy, but it is the best thing for your scalp. That's part of your hair health, is having a clean and healthy scalp. Anything over 2 weeks is not good. But most of all, I want you to stay tuned because we've put together some amazing information that we're going to be sharing with you via email to check in on you and give you some tips and some more information when it regards to maintaining your hair health. Although when you first start using the products, you will experience results on your hair, the first conditioning treatment, but it takes a layering and a building up of these products to get the ultimate result. So that's why we say 90 days. And then it's just you start doing it all over again. It just becomes it should become part of your regimen. So we don't want you to quit at 90 days, but we want to get you in the habit, some healthy hair habits, because we're creating a healthy hair tribe. And, that's our vibe around here, is healthy hair. So we want to see more women, one, embracing their real hair. I'm not anti anything, but I'm pro healthy hair, and I am pro make sure that you take care of the hair that God gave you first and maximize on that. I think a lot of times people think their own hair can't be beautiful, and I just love to see real healthy hair. That's just my thing. So we want to create a tribe of women that love their hair. And you're going to love your hair when you love how it feels, when you love how it performs. I have just gave myself a silk press last night. I've been growing my hair out for a year. I did a big chop January of 2021. I probably had a couple trims in between there, shape up to give this shape. But healthy hair is attainable. And it's not just because I'm a hairstylist. I believe if you follow our techniques and tips, you can manage your hair at home. And if you can't, we have some amazing stylists on our salon locator to support you in your hair journey. So whether you need to go in and get a trim, we always recommend seeing a professional for trim and color. I know there's a lot of at-home color kits and programs you can do, but there's a lot of science behind that. And one wrong thing and you can mess things up. So I highly recommend, when it comes to cuts and chemicals, see a licensed stylist, and we have some on our salon locator that is located on our website. So second, why we recommend 90 days, we also recommend our hair supplements, Essentials. And Essentials is designed to support your internal nutrition. Your hair comes from your red blood cells. Okay, so when your body's turning over cellular activity, it's producing hair, and that hair is based on what's in your bloodstream. And so if you are vitamin deficient, having challenges in certain areas of your body that you don't even know about, it's going to show up in your hair, with that being not producing quality hair, or maybe not even producing hair at all. But sometimes you're producing hair and it's not strong, so it's easily to break. So although your body will see the results of the supplements in 30 days, you will not truly see the results until about 90 days, because the vitamins support the new hair you're growing. When you take hair supplements, this hair is already produced. So supplements are not going to change this. Okay? Conditioning treatments will fix the hair that's on your head. Supplements make sure that the new hair you grow. So if you start taking vitamins now, in 30 days, that new hair has been affected by the supplement. 60 days, 90 days. So it takes about 90 days to 6 months to really see the results of the supplements, stronger quality strands of hair. So we're not selling fool's goal around here. I'm giving you the real facts about hair. Nothing magical. The body works on a cellular system, so we can't speed up hair growth and not speed up other parts of our body. And we don't want to do that because now we're playing, that's very dangerous. Okay. So we just have to stay the course and follow what science says about our bodies, which is ultimately what's going to be the byproduct of what goes on with our hair. So stay tuned. I'm excited for you. Make sure you check your emails because we're going to be sending you some juicy information. We want you to have success with SilkOut when it comes to your hair. So I just wanted to say congratulations again. You've made the right choice on getting started on your healthy hair challenge. And we want to see your results, okay? So make sure you're taking before and after pictures. You're hashtagging us, SilkOut System, hashtag Healthy Hair Tribe, hashtag SilkOut vibe. We want to see your results and we want to be able to share them on our page. All right. So congratulations, and we will chat with you soon. Take care.